Financial freedom is a goal many of us dream about, but achieving it often starts with something that can seem mysterious: building a strong credit file. In this video, we will explore the journey to financial freedom in 2026 by understanding credit, learning from real-life scenarios, and sharing practical steps you can take today. Whether you are just starting out or looking to repair your credit, this documentary-style guide is designed to motivate and educate you. By the end, you will have the tools and inspiration to take control of your financial future, one credit decision at a time. To build your credit file, it is essential to first understand what a credit score is and why it matters. A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, or how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Lenders, landlords, and even some employers use your credit score to make decisions about you. Scores typically range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit. The main factors influencing your score include payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Knowing these basics is the first step toward financial empowerment. Meet Sarah, a recent college graduate who is just beginning her credit journey. Like many young adults, Sarah had no credit history and was unsure where to start. She applied for her first credit card but was denied due to a lack of credit. Instead of giving up, Sarah researched secured credit cards, which require a deposit and are easier to obtain for those with no credit history. By using her secured card for small purchases and paying off the balance in full each month, Sarah began to build a positive credit history. Her story shows that everyone has to start somewhere, and with the right approach, progress is possible. If you are ready to build or improve your credit, here are some practical steps you can follow immediately. First, check your credit report for errors by requesting a free report from each of the major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Next, consider applying for a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's account. Make on-time payments every month, as payment history is the most significant factor in your credit score. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% by not maxing out your cards. Finally, avoid applying for too many new accounts at once, as each application can temporarily lower your score. Let us look at another real-life scenario. David had good credit until he lost his job in 2020, leading to missed payments and mounting debt. His score dropped, and he felt overwhelmed. But David did not give up. He contacted his creditors to negotiate payment plans and focused on paying off his highest interest debts first. He also set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Over 2 years, David steadily rebuilt his credit score and gained confidence in managing his finances. His journey is a reminder that setbacks happen, but with persistence and a plan, you can recover and move forward. Many people fall into common credit traps that can damage their financial health. One frequent mistake is missing payments, which can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. Another is carrying high balances on credit cards, which increases your credit utilization ratio and lowers your score. Opening too many accounts in a short period can also be harmful, as it signals risk to lenders. To avoid these pitfalls, set up reminders for your payment due dates. Pay more than the minimum when possible, and only apply for new credit when necessary. Staying vigilant can protect your credit file. Building a strong credit file is not just about numbers. It opens doors to a better financial future. With a high credit score, you can qualify for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you thousands of dollars over time. Renting an apartment becomes easier, and you may even get better rates on insurance. Employers in some industries check credit reports during the hiring process, so a solid credit history can boost your career prospects. Most importantly, good credit gives you more choices and flexibility, empowering you to pursue your goals with confidence. Let us fast forward to 2026. Imagine someone like Maria, who started building her credit in 2021 with a secured card and careful budgeting. By consistently paying her bills on time, keeping her balances low, and monitoring her credit report, Maria watched her score climb year after year. In 2026, she was able to buy her first home with a low-interest mortgage and felt secure in her financial independence. Maria's story proves that with dedication and the right habits, Achieving financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to start today and stay committed. If you found this guide helpful and inspiring, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when we release new content packed with more real-life stories, actionable tips, and expert advice to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, building your credit file is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take today brings you closer to the life you dream of tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and here is to your financial success in 2026 and beyond.